Alrighty, welcome to this short video on how to plastic weld with a soldering iron. Most plastic welding kits come with the actual electric welder torch for plastic and little plastic welding rods, and the idea is to melt the plastic into the crack or the join the two pieces of plastic together. But a quick and easy way, a easy DIY method would be to use a soldering iron. So we've all been there when we've broke something, a panel or a piece of plastic of some kind, and we just want to try and glue it together and it never works. So this method is quite an effective method of rejoining a couple of bits of plastic. So I'm just going to pause the video for a second because I need both hands. Okay, so when you see if we go in closer, we can see the bit of plastic panel that was broken or was cracked. And what I've done is I've just held the cracks together and just melted the plastic with the soldering iron. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go along the rest of it like so. And what you do is you just gently, the iron needs to be absolutely piping hot for this, because you just touch it and it melts the plastic along the crack. Now this isn't the proper method of plastic welding, but it's effective, it works. I've pulled me out of many of whole things that have been accidentally broken, as we say. That was an accident, I swear I didn't hit it with a hammer. This is obviously on the inside, not on the bit that faces outwards. And there you have it. One quick and easy method of plastic welding using a soldering iron and nothing else. What you could also do is use a strong adhesive, something like Mega Bond or something, to try and reinforce it. But that's a quick and easy way of plastic welding. So do me a favor, hit the like button if you like it, and please subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second, just a little red subscribe button below the video. It all helps. Share the video on your social media, etc. Leave a comment, questions. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more videos.